Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with PageCloud. PageCloud, https://www.pagecloud.com, is a website building platform that aims to empower individuals and businesses to create professional-looking websites without needing to know how to code. Their drag-and-drop interface promises an intuitive and user-friendly experience, allowing users to easily add and manipulate various elements like text, images, and videos. PageCloud offers a variety of templates to get you started, or you can build a website entirely from scratch. They market their platform as a solution for creating stunning websites with advanced design capabilities, including parallax scrolling, animations, and custom fonts. PageCloud also emphasizes their commitment to providing excellent customer support and resources to help users throughout the website building process. They highlight features like responsive design, ensuring your website looks great on any device, and SEO tools to help improve your site's visibility in search engine results. With PageCloud, you purportedly have full control over your website's design and content, giving you the flexibility to create a truly unique online presence. Their aim is to simplify website creation, enabling anyone, regardless of technical skill, to build a professional and visually appealing online platform. They offer various pricing plans to cater to different needs and budgets, providing options for individuals, small businesses, and larger enterprises looking to establish or enhance their web presence. They showcase various successful websites built on their platform as testimonials to the power and flexibility of PageCloud's website building capabilities. It's positioned as a one-stop shop for everything from design and development to hosting and ongoing website management. They emphasize a seamless experience, allowing users to focus on their content and brand rather than the technical complexities of web development.